The next part is to cut and fit the bottom draught excluder. So to do that, we need to measure the width of the jamb, and then we need to add 10 millimeters that's going to fit inside the jamb. Okay, so in this case we've got 703, and so we're going to make it 713. So 10 millimeters will always be inside the jamb. So this is the bottom draught excluder that I've now cut to length. It's the size of the jamb plus 10 millimeters, and we're going to fit it now to the bottom of the door. So part of it always goes in there, and the other side we can push up to the jamb there. We're just checking for size now. It's going to start on the end there, on the end of the door, and go along like that. Now the question is, how hard do you push it down into the floor? And the answer generally is not very much. Okay, it may be that if the floor's uneven, as this is the case, you're going to have a little bit, just a tiny bit of a gap somewhere, because the carpet is much thicker here where it hasn't been trodden on than here where it has. So we can push it down a little bit so that it does that. One of the beauties of this seal is that it's quite flexible, and it will bend around deformities in the floor like that. Okay, so to put it on, we're going to get the liner off, a little bit of the liner off here. Now take care, because this is a paper liner and it will tear. Okay, so I'm going to line it up on the end of the door and tack it on. And I shut the door, oops, didn't quite tack it on hard enough there. Okay, close the door, and then I'm going to push this down a little bit, tack it on there. Just take care how you pull the paper liner out. Okay, just be careful right at the end there that we get the liner right out. I'm just going to pull it out a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then, okay, so now we press it right hard into the door. And we do need to press the back of it there as well. I'm going to use my knife a little bit to push that. And that's the bottom draught excluder. Okay, that's actually making quite a good seal.